Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, or you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. These are the assets I will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, please kindly confirm from the chat first before you follow up with the trade. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, this is GainX 1200 and monthly three trading indicator to do my analysis on the chart. Okay, so that is why my chart is colorful. Okay, and of course it is a custom made indicator created by me. This actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. How do I know? You can see this red color flag. Okay, it shows that the market is on downtrend, and this gave us the signal from the resistance zone, and of course it sold till it got to this support region. We actually milked this together. I think the trend started 2 days ago and came to an end few hours ago. So after getting to this support region, it has not been able to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, even though it might be having, it's possible for it to have pullback any moment from now, but it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So this has been buying right from here. So if I were you, or probably if you're having this trading tool, I expect it to have come in somewhere here, and this will have given you a lot of profit right now, and it is the spiky part of it. So that is it. So this is still buying at the moment. This is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and just the way we have actually seen it. Okay, I actually analyzed this asset in the morning, and I told us that we should come in around here in the morning. So if you had come in around here, you would have been made some good amount of profit already. Okay, so this is still selling anyway. It is still selling, but it just played around there for a while, which is what we usually experience whenever we are trading. Okay, you don't expect it to be going in one direction for a very long time. Okay, so it is still selling, and of course I believe it's still going to achieve more TPs for us right from there. I'm actually expecting it to get to this region, these spots, okay, where it got to the last time. And of course this time around I even expect it to break out from there to get to this region. I'm coming. To get to this region first before thinking of getting here. Okay, so for now, I want it to get here first. If it gets to this region, and I am also expecting to break out from there so that it can get here right from there. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, just the way we have seen it, guys. It is still selling. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if the market decides to misbehave. That is when it will not sell. Now let's move on to PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200, and also this also gave us a beautiful profit. The beautiful thing about this is that it's actually, I remember very well about a week ago when we started trading the uptrend right from this support region, and we traded it till it got to this resistance zone, and right from there right now it has given us, it also gave us an option to, or an opportunity to trade the downtrend. So give us the downtrend signal, and of course I remember we set up this signal a few days ago, and our entry point, our stop loss, you can see all the highlighted profit which we have actually made. It has given us all our profit, but it is still selling at this point. Okay, it is still selling at this point. If it breaks out below this current support region, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, we are most likely to have a change in direction of the trend right from there. But for now, it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. This is another golden opportunity for us. This had been on uptrend for a while, but it started a downtrend right from this resistance zone and gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal. What I expect us to do is to jump into the trade at this point, and of course, set our stop loss somewhere here and have some highlighted profit for us, okay, which to be somewhere here, TP1, TP2, and it achieved each and every one of the TPs. Okay, so that's so amazing. So you would have made a lot of profits already. Okay, but it is finding difficult at this spot, okay, to break out from there. But once it breaks out from there, you should expect it to get to this spot. Okay, so this is where I am actually expecting it to get to. Okay, that is if it breaks out from here. If it pulls back from here, it will go back up and see if it can break out from the resistance zone or probably change the direction back into a downtrend. So this is still selling at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Last asset which you will be checking out today is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and this is also another wonderful trade which we actually picked up last week. Okay, we did the setup together when it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we noticed that it's finding difficult to break out from this resistance zone, even though it didn't give us the direct, it didn't go in our direction right from the beginning. So we did this setup and it sold for a while, gave us the first TP, second TP, and it went back up and almost got to the stop loss. You can imagine it almost got to the stop loss, and it later on came back down and started selling again, achieving all the TPs. So I highlighted this first set of TPs, then I told you that once it breaks out from there, then we should expect to get to this region. You can see the last three sets of TPs have also been achieved, and this is still selling, guys. It is still selling, and that is one beautiful thing about trend trading strategy, and that is what the indicator is all about. So guys, this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from the next support zone. So guys, this is where we're going to be stopping tonight. Okay, so if you have been following up, okay, I will advise you to understand everything which I have explained in this video, and of course you can now go ahead and trade all the assets. Okay, and of course guys, if you are not joining me live and direct, I will always advise you to check out on this chart first before you go ahead and trade. So I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. And of course guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Thank you.